Let's break down what actually needs to go in a standard operating procedure, so your team stops guessing and starts building smarter. Don't skip straight to the steps. Start with why this even matters. Is it about safety, speed, protecting profits? Set the context. Then spell out goals like reducing rework, passing inspections the first time, or improving team communication. Then it is time to lay out the steps and identify stakeholders. Be sure to clearly state who's doing what and when. List roles with responsibilities. Remember, clarity is king. And when you write steps, make sure to kiss them, aka keep it super simple. Use action verbs, be specific, and list them in the right order. Confusion on site equals dollars down the drain. Make sure your team has the appropriate resources. Don't just tell people what to do, give them what they need to do it. Be sure to include effective checklists, links, drawings, tools, videos, forms. Make access easy, label it clearly, and bonus points if you can include QR codes for mobile access. Develop and implement feedback loops. SOPs should never be set it and forget it. They should living and tweaked as processes and systems improve. Define how crews can suggest improvements. Set a review schedule, where that be monthly, quarterly, or annually, and track what's working with real metrics. Thank you for watching, and remember to follow us and catch the next episode in the Standard Operating Procedures video series, or message us to schedule a one-on-one chat. We are always happy to help.